Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, I've got another graphite drawing for you today. This one is actually copied from an old master's painting which is by Gustav Meisner, and the title of the painting is called Woodland Stream. Now Gustav Meisner was a German artist born in 1830 and died in 1900. I highly recommend checking his work out on Google. Some wonderful paintings there for you to look at. So as you can see, I'm using the grid method for this one, and I'm working on a cut down piece of A4 Daler-Rowney smooth heavyweight paper. Now for me this one is all about that light in the background in the middle distance there, and the way the dark foreground really emphasises that. And as you know, if you want to really bring out the light in a picture, the best thing to do is to put dark tones around that light, and that'll really emphasise it. So that was the goal really for this drawing. And not only that, the original painting, there's kind of an air of mystery about it. You kind of look at it and wonder what's around that corner, and you wonder where that stream leads, and you wonder what that woman's doing there walking along with the basket. There's almost like a story to this one. So as soon as I saw this reference photo, I knew I just had to draw it. And it was very kindly sent in actually by one of my friends over on Patreon. So if you do fancy drawing along with this one and learning some wonderful techniques, how to get that foliage and how to get those soft misty backgrounds, there's a full tutorial of this over on my Patreon channel. It's a series of 15 videos, so it does take quite a while to do this one, but definitely worth it. And if you're new to the channel, this is the first video you've watched, have a quick look through some of my other videos and you'll see the type of artwork that I do, and pretty much most of them are all lessons actually over on Patreon. So if you have a quick look through the channel, that'll give you a good idea of what else there is over there for you. It only costs £3.50 a month to get full access to everything. That's full length, real-time drawing tutorials, watercolour painting tutorials. There's lots of content over there. I've been drawing and painting now for nearly 40 years actually, and I've been teaching art now for about 9 years. So if you join my Patreon and you become a member over there and you've got any questions or any problems that you're having with your artwork, I should be able to help you with it. And not only that, we've got a wonderful community of members over there that are all posting their artwork, sharing their tips and help and advice. So if you're looking, to be part of an art community, sharing your artwork with other like-minded people and enjoying their artwork too, this really is the place to come along, enjoy your artwork, learn and have fun all at the same time. So if you are considering becoming a member of my Patreon channel, I'll leave a link on the end screen and in the description below. It really will be fantastic to see you over there. Okay, so thanks very much for watching everyone. I hope you liked the drawing. It was a real adventure drawing this one. Real fun drawing to do. So if you like the drawing, please give a thumbs up. It always helps the channel. Okay, so take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.